Exercise 14.4, question number 6. Give one example of a situation in which first, the mean is an appropriate measure of central tendency. To show a situation in which a mean is an appropriate measure of central tendency, considering following example. Data represent the weight of junior volleyball team of a school. Suppose the data are 40 kg, 41, 40.5, 41.5 and 42, and suppose last data is 42.5. all these data are in kg. So considering this data, we can observe that the data are close to each other. Here we can see that the minimum value and the maximum value is not too far. So in this case, mean will be calculate an appropriate measure of central tendency. Because the observation of given data are close to each other. Now, second part, give an example of a situation in which the mean is not an appropriate measure of central tendency, but the median is an appropriate measure of central tendency. To show this, let us consider another example. Data represent the marks of 10 students in a test. Marks are 42, 48, 53, 58, 70, 75, 62, 67, 92 and 96. Here we can observe that the distance between data, for example the minimum data or the minimum mark of a student in a test and the maximum mark of a student is too far. So in this case median will give more appropriate measure of central tendency. In this case median will calculate an appropriate measure of central tendency. Because the observation of given data are very far from other observation.